AgenticFlow. Build AI agents to launch, market, and scale your business without writing any code. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an incredible tool that's revolutionizing the way entrepreneurs launch and scale their businesses. AgenticFlow. Picture this. You're the CEO, CMO, and even the one refilling the printer ink. Sound familiar? As a solo entrepreneur, juggling launch plans, operations, and marketing can feel overwhelming, right? What if we told you there's a way to streamline all of that without needing a 10-person team? That's where AgenticFlow comes in. AgenticFlow allows you to build AI agents that can automate your entire business process without writing a single line of code. Imagine having virtual assistants that integrate with every tool you use, helping you with customer support, sales, and engagement. With AgenticFlow, you can launch a customer support agent that handles routine inquiries with smart, immediate responses. Train your AI agents using product catalogs and FAQs to provide personalized recommendations. Scale your business without the growing pains, thanks to round-the-clock AI support. Imagine the freedom of focusing on what really matters, growing your business, while your AI agents handle the nitty-gritty. Now, you might be wondering, what's the cost? Well, AgenticFlow offers a lifetime deal starting at just $59. That's a massive 74% off the regular price of $228. And guess what? It's refundable up to 60 days, so you can try it risk-free. Here are the tiers. License Tier $9. License Tier 2, $100. License Tier 3, $409. License Tier 4, $749. Each tier comes with its own set of features to cater to your specific business needs. So, what are you waiting for? Get lifetime access to AgenticFlow today. Click the link in the description below to grab this amazing deal and start building your AI agents. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on scaling your business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.